Main components of an alternator. The alternator is an essential component in a car's electrical system, as it is responsible for generating the energy necessary to charge the battery and power the vehicle's electrical systems while it is running. The internal components of the alternator include 1. Rotor. It is the rotating component of the alternator that is connected to the engine through a pulley and a belt. The rotor is made up of a laminated iron core with coils of wire wound around it. When the rotor rotates, a magnetic field is generated that induces current in the stator. 2. Stator. The stator is the stationary component of the alternator and is made up of a set of wire coils that are arranged around the rotor. When the rotor rotates, the generated magnetic field induces an electric current in the stator coils. 3. Voltage regulator. This component controls the amount of current that flows through the rotor, which in turn controls the amount of voltage that is generated in the stator. The voltage regulator ensures that the current produced by the alternator is adequate to charge the battery, without overcharging or damaging it. 4. Rectifier. The current generated by the alternator is alternating, but automobile electrical systems require direct current. The rectifier converts alternating current to direct current to power the electrical systems and charge the battery. 5. Pulley and bearing. The alternator pulley is connected to the engine through a belt and transmits the movement of the engine to the alternator rotor. The bearing, for its part, allows the rotor to rotate smoothly in the stator. On the other hand, the alternator also has other external components such as the rotor brushes and the fan that helps maintain an optimal temperature inside the alternator. In addition to the components mentioned, the alternator may also include a charge regulator, which controls the amount of current sent to the battery to prevent overcharging and damage. Some modern alternators may also feature intelligent power control systems, which adjust the alternator's output based on the vehicle's needs to improve the efficiency of the electrical system. Regarding the material from which the internal components of the alternator are made, the rotor core is generally made of laminated steel to reduce eddy current losses, while the stator is composed of copper coils that offer high electrical conductivity. It is important to note that the correct functioning of the internal components of the alternator is crucial for the good performance of the vehicle's electrical system. Any failure or wear in any of these components can cause problems in battery charging and the operation of the car's electrical systems. In conclusion, the internal components of a car's alternator are critical to the generation of electrical power needed to power the vehicle's systems, and are designed to work together efficiently and reliably.